Have you ever seen a panda sneeze? 3 bears were eating at this time. The panda with allergies smelled the flour and sneezed. People around him thought he was very cute, but he thought others were laughing at him and quickly fled the place. Unexpectedly, when he just got home, he found that his sneeze was recorded and uploaded to the internet. It instantly became a hot topic. This caused dissatisfaction among the internet celebrity Koala. The panda was tricked by the grizzly bear to participate in the cuteness competition. Koala also participated after hearing about it. Koala behaved very cutely in the competition. The panda's votes began to fall behind. At this time, the grizzly bear realized something and told the panda that he was cute when he sneezed. So he used flowers to induce allergies and sneezed. Soon he caught up with Koala's votes. Koala was very angry and picked up a pillow to hit him. The pillow accidentally broke and scattered all over the floor. The panda immediately became a sneezing maniac, but he used too much force and scared away the audience. The panda was very sad, but the 2 bears told him that he was cute at all times.